Hi, today I'm going to start a conversation use tag question. It's a nice day today, isn't it? We all enjoy talking with friends, don't we? Communication is really important in our daily lives, isn't it? I think learning English can be fun sometimes, can can't it? But it can also be a little difficult, can it? You practice English every day, don't you? Watching movies in English help a lot, doesn't it? Listen to music improves your pronunciation, doesn't it? You like learning new things, don't you? And you want to improve your English skills, don't you?